In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Forms with Google Sheets, a process that's incredibly useful for gathering and organizing data efficiently. Whether you're planning an event, conducting a survey, or collecting feedback, this guide will make your data management tasks much easier. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Sheets. This is where all your data from the Google form will be stored and organized. For the sake of this demonstration, we'll start with an untitled spreadsheet. You can name it according to the data you're expecting to collect to keep things neat and organized. Once your spreadsheet is open, head to the Tools menu located at the top. Within this menu, there's an option to create a new form. This is a direct pathway to creating a new Google form linked to your spreadsheet. Clicking this creates a new form and opens a new tab in your browser where you can begin to customize your form. In the form editor, start by typing in your questions. Google Forms offers a variety of question types, from multiple choice to open-ended questions. Think about what information you're trying to gather and choose the question type that makes it easiest for your respondents to provide that information. After you've set up your questions, it's a good idea to review the settings of your form. You can adjust settings to collect email addresses, make the form anonymous, or limit responses. Tailor these settings to suit the needs of your data collection process. Now, focusing on the handling of responses, click on the Responses tab. Here you'll see how the collected data will appear. By default, responses are collected in the Google form itself, but since we're focusing on integrating with Google Sheets, you'll want to adjust this. Look for the drop-down menu within the Responses tab. It includes an option for Responder Input. This is where you decide how responses to your form are managed. By selecting this, you prompt Google Forms to create a new sheet or select an existing sheet in Google Sheets, ensuring all responses are automatically sent there. Return to your Google Sheets tab. If everything's been set up correctly, you'll now see a new tab labeled with the name of your form. This is where responses will be collected. You can manage the form directly from here by clicking on Manage Form. Now, when you're ready to send your form out into the world, go back to the form editor and click on the Send button. You're given multiple options for sharing your form, including via email, a shareable link, or even embedding it on a website. For sharing via a link, click on the chain icon to generate a shareable link. You can then copy this link and distribute it however you see fit through social media, email newsletters, or direct messaging. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Google form, integrated it with Google Sheets for data collection, and are ready to share it with respondents. This seamless integration makes data collection and organization simpler and more efficient. Feel free to customize your form and sheet to match the exact needs of your project. Happy data collecting!